Anibona kekela ngubano bengasha isencane lingane ngubano bengashade mncane. Isencane lengane season 6 is back guys, and into engizonicela yona ukuthi cela nithatheni amapilisi wenu we-BP because kushubile. Season 6 guys is back with a bang. And kuningi idrama ya season 6 kusaqalwa nje. So anyway, episode 1 ya season 6, it starts with uSiyacela noThando. Obviously bayababuza ukuthi baphila ngani, like what are their means of income. uSiyacela achaza ukuthi uyarenka, basically usebenza erenkini nabafowabo. Angazi ukuthi benzani erenkini, angazi ukuthi if bashayela amateksi or what specifically they doing, but anyway yahlanganisa by working eranking. And then uThando uyasho ukuthi yena uziphilisa ngama-stokvel, khona i-stokvel ayidlalayo ke, and that's how she makes a living. Kodwa as bengishilo ukuthi kusaqalwa nje, kuqalwe nempi. So episode 1 iqala ngoSiyacela elusitha uThando ngendaba yokuthi ushiye washing ngaphandle, ishawe ilanga for a very long time. So uyambuza ukuthi vele like why is she leaving the washing outside, ishawe ilanga. And then uThando, uyamazi uThando this season guys, into ayiphendule akazange ngokudlala. So aphendula uThando asho ukuthi kanti like why is it that mengineke washing kumele ngiyikhiphe as soon as it's dry, and why mele ngifold washing. So uSiyacela uyachaza ukuthi as umuntu wesifazane uma wenza washing, you must not leave washing ngaphandle ishawe ilanga for a long time, and after that uma uyikhiphe elayinini you must fold the washing, ungayishiya embhedeni nje, you know. So uThando abuza ukuthi hayibo, wena mengikutshela ukuthi yenza something, do you do it immediately? That when ufuna ukuthi ngenze like immediately according to what you want me to do, iqale lapho like impi yakhona. Like imagine guys, over something like balwela i-washing basically. Angazi ukuthi why uSiyacela if bebone inkinga yokuthi uThando akayikhiphi i-washing, why bengayikhiphi yena. So anyway uSiyacela athi no, there is a wife's duties, there is a woman's duties to take off washing and to fold washing and to not let washing get burnt, or not let clothes get burnt by the sun for a long time. So back and forth Siyacela noThando over indaba ye-washing. Like even the fight yakhona guys, it is so like angazi, like it's so silly to be quite honest, because uThando naye at that point she's asking indaba yokuthi so if umsebenzi womfazi to do that, umsebenzi wendoda is to control umfazi basically. And then iphuma indaba yokuthi baqala indaba yokuthi uSiyacela like controlling uThando, and ukuthi uThando yena akafuni ukuthi uSiyacela amlawule. Like hey guys, like I was just like, this is so unnecessary, like nje over washing. If Siyacela felt like uThando was not taking down the washing, he should have taken down the washing himself. No, Thando, that's time she's like making a big deal, and she's like going back and forth over like one and the same thing, over like why should a woman like do immediately or do stuff immediately of what her husband told her. Like that fight was just so unnecessary. That's why ngithi le season izoba ne drama guys, izoba ne drama ngiyanitshela. And then anyway asho uThando ukuthi akasamthanda uSiyacela, and she's just with him because inhliziyo yakhe ayikamvumeli ukuthi ahambe, kodwa yena she doesn't love uSiyacela anymore. And yeah, but uSiyacela yena he says ukuthi yena noThando they are very much in love. So angazi ke, but uThando noSiyacela they moved back home kwaDlamuka, and kodwa bandla uDlamuka uyakhumbuleka. ngiyakhumbula etshela uSiyacela athi usistuphethu, stuphethu, udinga umuntu akutshela ukuthi usistuphethu. Iyakhumbuleka shame. So baphindele egcekeni lakwaDlamuka, they are staying there. And then iphuma indaba yokuthi ubaba omncane kaSiyacela, which is ubaba uDlamuka's brother, younger brother, ukuthi uzithathele impilo yakhe ke, because like he felt that he couldn't live life anymore, that now that ubaba uDlamuka engasekho. He was always thinking of ubaba uDlamuka, and then azange achazele muntu ukuthi like yini beyimudla besides indaba yokuthi behlezi ecabanga ngobaba uDlamuka. Then he decided to take his life, you guys. I guess maybe he felt that ubaba uDlamuka maybe bekune hope the time ubaba uDlamuka ephila, and now that ubaba uDlamuka is not around, he felt like there's no use, and there's no need of living. So he took his life. And then obviously bayachaza abantu basegcekeni ukuthi baphethe kabuhlungu kanjani, but umalume kaSiyacela, he was like the only elder person that was left. So it's a sad thing now. And then also as well umamkhulu, which is umfazi wokuqala kababa uDlamuka, is basically speaking to uThando emtshela ukuthi phela umuntu wesifazane, she needs to listen to her husband, she does not backchat, yabo yonke lento. She's basically explaining to uThando ukuthi Thando needs to submit herself to her husband and all of that. And uThando's not having it. She's basically like, no, if I submit myself to my husband must submit himself to me. And you know what, I like, part of me feels like Thando and uSiyacela, they are young, ne? And sometimes I'm just like, yo, Thando, like, ezinye izinto, like, it's so unnecessary to be back chatting about and all of that. Like, and I think maybe the aspect of that is that she's still young. When you are still young, you want to fight almost everything, you guys. Like, everything can become a fight because you want to prove a point that, like, you will not be ruled and controlled by a man. And I think that's where uThando is coming from, because everything uThando makes it a fight. If uSiyacela says something, then she'll be like, oh, kusho ukuthi lokhu, kusho ukuthi A, B, and C. I'm just like, Thando, like, really, like, leave it as it is, you know? I believe there's a level of wisdom in knowing when to address certain things, but uThando hasn't learned that yet. uThando, like, angayisusi into manje, you know. So I believe, especially when it comes to marriage, you guys, that there's a level of maturity that you need to have, especially as a woman. Women and men are not the same, and as much as we want to, you know, defend ukuthi women and men are equal, I believe that, but as funny. And that's when you're in a marriage, you need to know your person, melumazi umuntu wakho, and you must know when to address certain things. And njengoba sibonela ukuthi uSiyacela ukhanda shisa nje, I think it would be best at times that she left certain things and then address it when he's in a good mood, or address it at the right time. Because that's the thing ebalwisayo uThando noSiyacela, ukuthi uSiyacela azikhulumele into ebhekele, and then uThando was like, no, you know, Thando's like, I'm not going to agree with everything you say, and that's where the fight comes in. So uThando uchazela umamkhulu ukuthi uSiyacela into esilwisayo ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ngivume everything ayikhulumayo. Then umamkhulu achaza, yamazi ke umamkhulu, obviously she's of an older generation, usesithenjini naye. Achaza ukuthi vele kunjalo, like umuntu wesifazane, she listens to anything her man says. She doesn't, you know, she doesn't shout at him, she doesn't argue with him. If you do that, what are you gonna do when uSiyacela decides to take another woman? Yeah. So vele uThando atshela umamkhulu ukuthi hayi anginandaba ngalokho. Basically ukuthi inkathi zishintshile, and I'm not going to, you know, listen to whatever uSiyacela says. But yeah, guys, that is basically a summary of episode 1. There are other things I want to speak about that happened within episode 1, which I will do in a separate video, so you can look out for those as well. But that's basically a nutshell of uSiyacela noThando. Everyone on social media is not happy about uSiyacela. Well, it's not a secret to Guti. Most of us, we're not happy with Siyacela's attitude. We're not happy with the way he carries himself, the way he treats uThando, the way he treats his family. Like, yeah. And that's why bengisithi ukuthi cela nithatheni amapilisi we-BP, because uSiyacela looks like usazosibonisa ama-flames. Singazi-ke uThando ukuthi uhleleleni, kodwa-ke inhliziyo wants what it wants, and it's best ukuthi yena, she must get enough of what she wants in that marriage, least aphume and then regrets herself. Anyway, please do make sure that you like this video, guys. Please do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.